Hi, this is Patrick Ruddy. Today is March 11th, 2019. This is Sprint 1 of the TB Quest game. The user stories that were to be accomplished were, as a player will see a consistent and customized theme. As a player will start the game, have the player set up window and input with inputs, so I can set up my player, which I believe has been changed. However, due to trip to Belize, I didn't receive the new instructions. As a player, I will have an area of the game session window where I can see all the player information. As a player, I will have an area of the game session window where I can see the game session messages. As a player, I will click on the quit button so I can close the application. And just a quick little run through. I do have a player setup window. As of right now, it's just adding a name, and once the name is added, it does go to the main window where it does display the player's hit points, gold, a few other properties. And I do have a few windows available for the messages, which is going to be right here. This is going to be another message area. This is going to be for location movement, and I'm probably going to tighten this up and add another area where you can select options of things to do while you're in a specific location. In the bottom right window, that's actually going to be for images or maybe even animated images. I did also have a couple buttons towards the top. One's going to be a create player. So if you want to restart with a new player, and then the top right is the exit button. And I do also have a timestamp at the top as well. So far there was nothing too super interesting about the coding, just most of what we were doing in class. The design breakdown did have the main grid and did a stack panel in the first row, first column, stack panel in first row, column 1, and then put a stack panel in row 1, column 1, and then two grids within that stack panel. And then the image itself was row 2, column 2. The biggest takeaway from this sprint was I found out that I could learn to kiteboard and still get some homework done at the same time.